Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I am Tyler. And today we're going to be checking out this cutting board set that was sent to us to sample by the company here, Piklohas. So we'll go ahead and set this box to the side and check these out. So what you're going to get here is you're going to get 4 of the little plastic cutting boards, and you can use them on their own, or you can use them on the cutting boards here. Maybe when you're cutting meats and stuff, if you're not familiar, you really shouldn't cut meats directly on your wood cutting boards because you'll have the meats seep into there. Pretty much everything else though, your vegetables and cheeses and breads and stuff like that, you can use directly on the cutting boards. Now, of course, whenever you first get these cutting boards, you will need to season them, oil them, and you'll get the instructions right here included. It'll tell you how to do that. Super simple. I guarantee you're probably going to have the oil that you need in your house, especially if you're a foodie like me. Now, let's go ahead and check these cutting boards out. You're going to get the big one here, along with this little one that I showed you. You get this really nice rack to set everything on also. And this stuff, really hefty, nice, solid wood. And has a little cutout here on the bottom. And you can just straddle your other one like that. You can use it to pull out like that while you're cutting also. You can also use the other side here to cut on, has some grooves here on the side to put some stuff in also. And then this other side, it has the outer grooves also out here to catch blood and juices and stuff like that. Now, the size of this, really big. It should be able to straddle most kitchen sinks if you want to use it for that. So let's go ahead, set this down, and check it out. Now, for today, I'm going to be cutting an apple. Have me a nice, super sharp knife right here. So let's go ahead and try this out. Boom, just like that. Works really well. No marks, mars, or anything on this cutting board. Let's go ahead and give it a few more chops. Push down really hard. Again, not messing up our cutting board. Super high quality, like I told you all. Look at this. Really nice. Got me a nice apple all cut up here that I can snack on. So yes, definitely, if you're looking for a really nice cutting board, this one here from Piklohas is going to do the trick. So be sure and check it out. There's a link in the description for those of you that are interested. Apple.